Eyebrow Hack.
This way. Okay. Join the same line this way. Then you feel the light stroke. Now this makes a whole lot of sense. If you have your eyebrow gel, you can now go ahead and gel it up. See that? It's so easy to do, and your eyebrow will come out almost identical. Like, what?
Tone concealer to the edge of the card. Press and hold the card diagonally from the outer corner of your lower lash line towards the tail of your brow and gently pull the card downward.
Okay, this one is telling us how to achieve a clean edge when you apply your eyeshadow. And yeah, I think I'm in for this, man. I'm adding my concealer at the edge of the card. Right? Put it here. Right? Up. And drag. Put it here and drag. This is a no for me. This is a no for me. Let's try it again. It tried, but it's not giving me a perfect finishing. So yeah, you don't know for me. This one is a very dressy hack. Like, I love this hack, and you're gonna love it, trust me.
In order to get the perfect nose contour, you have to draw a penis on your nose. I'm gonna go line 1, draw another line down, just connect 1 and connect 2, and then we're just going to draw a line just like that.
You draw a line, you draw another line down, you connect 1, connect 2. Just like that. The shape of my teeth is quite thick. So I will quickly go in with my concealer and then highlights. Okay. And then a little bit at the mouth of my P. Blend. Blend this one upwards. Up. And this is what we got. What do you think? Did the P work? Huh? What do you think about this nose control hack? Did it work? Let me know in the comment section. And this one is another crazy TikTok hack, and it's saying for you to have a longer eyelash, apply your mascara before you curl your eyelash. Okay. Now this is a no for me because it's just wiping off all the mascara I applied. No, I don't buy this. I don't buy this at all. I don't buy this. I prefer coiling. After coiling your eyelash, then you go ahead and apply your mascara. Is that your mascara? Okay. Okay. So this one is a lipstick hack. Yeah, if you want your lipstick to, I don't know, maybe it lasts all day. First thing you should do is to apply your concealer on your lip. Okay, apply your concealer on your lip, right? Okay. Yeah. Mm, This one is not my thing, it's not my color at all. I'm not feeling it. Maybe if I apply a lip gloss, it will be better. This combination, let me know which of them is your favorite hack. For me, the one that is my favorite hack, and I'm still feeling it till now, is the eyebrow hack. Like, I love it. The mouth, I'm not understanding the mouth. I don't even want to put mouth to the mouth. Like, I'm not feeling it. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I'll be leaving now and to see you guys in my next one. Bye.